Let's take a look at how to create a basic web page on Windows 10. Well, first thing we need to do is we need to bring up Notepad. And you can choose the Windows icon here, and you can choose all apps, and hopefully you find it somewhere there. Probably choose all apps. If you go to 0 through 9 might be best. Personally, I have trouble finding items so far in Windows 10. I'm not that comfortable with it yet. So I go to the search here, and I'm going to type in Notepad. Now you want to ignore the web and the store, and you should see a desktop app appear, so I can click that. And now I want to create a web page. So I got HTML, body, and HTML. Okay, now this tag here has to start with a less than and ends with a greater than, so you can't be missing one of those. Same with the body, and down here, this slash you see right here closes that tag. So everything contained from the body right here to the end body will be the main body of the web page. The HTML starts the web page, the entire item, and this ends the web page. So again, the slash ends them. And then in the middle here, I'll put my hello world. Now I'm going to do a file save. And I created a folder. But under Windows here, I created a folder, temp. And where it says save as type, I want to do a drop down and choose all files. And then I'm going to put in hello world.htm, or you could do HTML. It'll take either one, and then click save. And now that I got that created, I'll close that. I'll go to my window, temp, and you see I got hello world.htm. Now to open this up in a web page, you can simply double click it. It'll go to whatever applications associated with HTML. Now let's say you don't see the HTML. You come up here to View, and you choose Options, then choose View tab, and then down here where it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types, if you have that checked, then you probably don't see the HTML. And it really is beneficial if you're doing web design or programming for you to see extensions in Windows. So again, to view those, you View, Options, View tab, and uncheck Hide Extensions for Known File Types, and click OK. And then you'll see the .htm. Now you don't have to do that every time. You do that once and it stays that way from then on. Okay, well obviously HTML is what I want, so I right click on that. And you see there's Open and Open With. The Open is the same as double clicking. So if I double click this, I already opened up in this application HTML, so it made the association. Now if I right click on it and choose Open With, I can choose Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. Those are the only three I've installed in this computer so far. So if I choose Google Chrome, then it'll bring up the web page there. Sometimes it's beneficial in certain web pages to use other browsers versus this browser, whatever that might be, because it works better. Unfortunately, there's not a universal web browser that works on 100% of the pages, which is frustrating, very frustrating. Okay, so that's our basic Hello World web page in Windows 10.